Hi, I am ANANDA RAJ. Today I am going to explain about the Unit 3 or the third unit of the psychology, and that is cognitive processes. If you take the behavior has got three components, and number one is the cognitive processes, which are mental activities. Number two is cognitive processes, which are the physical activities, and third one is affective, which are the emotional activities. So in the behavior, these three components are present. So this topic deals with the cognitive processes, the mental activities, and in this the main topics are: number one is attention, number two is perception, number three is learning, number four is memory, number 5 thinking, and number 6 intelligence, number 7 aptitude, and number 8 is assessment of the cognitive processes. After memory, forgetting also, there is a subtopic in the memory. So these are the main topics, and all these topics are very big topics, but in all the topics there are 5 basic important things which you have to learn. First thing is the definitions. Second thing is the types. Third thing is the factors. And the fourth thing is the theories or the laws, LAWS, laws. And fifth thing is the application. So these are the 5 important topics: the definitions, types, factors, theories, and application in nursing. These all 5 topics are present in all the subtopics what we have discussed. If you take example, the first topic is attention. In the attention definitions I am not explaining. So as I told you, I am briefly explaining the basic important points. If time permits, we can go for a detailed discussion or detailed study of all the topics. So now focus on the basic things which you have to remember, then you can learn in detail or you can read in detail. First thing is the attention, and in the attention, the types, there are 4 types. One is the volitional, number 2 is the non-volitional, and number 3 is the habitual attention, number 4 is the span of attention. So volitional, non-volitional, and habitual and span of attention. These 4 types are the types of attention. Span of attention is the one which is important, and all others are also important. So attention is focusing of consciousness. When we focus our consciousness, it is the attention. Number 2 is the perception. Here the perceptual organization is explained by different psychologists, and in this perceptual organization, how we perceive the things is explained. And the most important topic in the perception is the errors of perception, or perceptual errors, or abnormalities of perception. They may change the question and ask you the question. And in the errors of perception, there are 3 important things are there. One is the illusions, 2 is hallucinations, and the third one is the delusions. Illusions are false experience, and the hallucinations are the false perception, and the third one is delusion, is the false belief. So these are the 3 things. In this again there are subtopics are there, so that you have to remember and you have to explain each one. And next topic, third topic, is the learning. And in the learning, again, the types are there. There are 4 types of learning. Learning by trial and error, learning by observation, third one is learning by insight, and the fourth one is learning by conditioning. And in the fourth one, there are again 2 types. A, classical conditioning, B is operant conditioning. So these are the types in the learning. And if you see the learning, there are factors are also there which plays major role in learning the things, and there are laws of learning also are there, and these laws are 2 types. One is the major laws and the other one is the minor laws. And one more important topic which is asked in learning is transfer of learning. Here the transfer of learning, there are again 3 basic things are there. One is the positive transfer, number 2 is the negative transfer, and the third one is the neutral transfer or no transfer. So these are the basic things in the cognitive processes, and balanced cognitive processes in the next video we will continue. Okay, see you, take care, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share it to the other friends.